We're here in I'm here in Nashville, Tennessee, and today is a special day. Hopefully, I'm going to be meeting up with the one and only Ken Heron and Billy Kyle to do some droning down by Titan Stadium. We got some awesome views of downtown here. We don't even need to drone almost. And Nissan Stadium, the Tennessee Titans, of course, right across the street. So we're looking good. Standing by, waiting for Ken and Billy. Hopefully they'll show up. The weather turned out well.
Yeah, I was just gonna. I was just. Hey Ken. Hey, who are you?
Droner Dog, how you doing?
Hey man, we got another YouTuber here. Come on down here, Billy. I'll get back.
So has he got his Inspire too, I suppose?
Yeah, he does, and I just I'm actually glad you're here. You wanna? This thing is awkward. I brought Phantom 4 just in case I can't get this much crowd to be working.
That is definitely a back building.
Wow, look at all this stuff, guys.
Hi.
How are you? Nice to meet you. Who are you again?
Harold Doll.
Hey, man.
Droner Doll. I know
Droner
it's a
Doll?
cheesy name,
Okay.
but that's
Hi,
all I
I'm
got.
Rachel. And?
Droner Doll Jr.
Hey, all right. Look at this, Billy. Look at this. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what to do with it. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you too.
Yeah. I'd love to take the Inspire and fly between the goalposts. That's why I like this spot.
Okay, so I've got this. This came with the drone.
It did?
Yeah.
I don't have.
Did it not
have
come with
that.
yours?
No, and I probably should get my money back.
What I like to do is get it all set up, and then before putting on the camera, check out what the compass is like. If you have to move on.
Ken's got a new Inspire too.
Yeah.
Last time we met up here 5 miles.
Are you filming me?
What are you doing? Is this copyright?
It's making me nervous.
Is Ken copyrighted?
No.
That's the Crystal Sky too, so that is about $8,000, eh?
Not $8,000 in the sky, but in total.
Yeah. So, okay, latest firmware, we're good there, everything good.
So you're
It looks like it's good.
What could go wrong?
What could go wrong? Anybody want to be the camera person?
Jason, you want to be the camera guy? No. Jason, do it.
Don't touch anything. Are you okay?
Yeah, he's good.
No, it's going.
He's going. It's going.
Point.
Just point. Let him do his
And
thing.
you can back up and
Yeah,
get
yeah.
the whole thing in there. And
There's no pressure,
once it takes
Jason.
off, just follow it
Okay.
for a minute, then back on me.
Okay.
And I'll do a little jig. Here we go. I guess go up now, huh?
Yeah.
Oh! What a hairdryer.
Look how stable that is! Wow! Should my first flight really be a skyscraper? Yes.
You know you want to.
Okay. I'm recording. Let me just to get things. Line up the audio.